So this is Minuet. Your right hand starts on middle C here, and it's got 3 beats in the bar. It's in C major, so there's no black notes. So it's C, then you go running up to G, smooth, then spike, spike, spike. Then remember where you are. Your little finger is here. You want that note there, A, but with your second finger. And then when you're on there, you've got 2, 5, 4, then some more quavers. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. So the left hand for that is little finger on C, where we've been lots of times before. And you play C with your little finger first for 3. It's a dotted minim. Then E, so you skip up. Then F. So together, it's together at the beginning of each bar. So. So the tricky part is those quavers at the end and also the moving. So you really want to practice just going there to there, there to there. It might be easier to think my little finger's on G, I want my thumb on G. Then you're in the right place. So that is the moving part that's difficult. The next line, we've just finished. So where your 4th finger now is, you're going to put your 2nd finger, which is Peter Pointer, onto that C. And we do C, 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 then 3rd finger, then 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2. Another little tricky quaver bit, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2. Your left hand, you've just finished with G, so this one has to move as well. So it's probably the best way to do it is middle C, because we recognise that. Thumb on middle C, and it's a bit of a stretch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's a 6th. So you do E, C, and again, then F, C. Then your 3rd finger should be on G, and then middle C, G. You can do it with a 3 or 2. So there's staccato. Okay, so together the second line is. So the dots at the end mean repeat, but we don't play repeats in the exams unless we're asked to. So the next line is the 3rd finger. You're going to move again now. You're on C at the moment. 3rd finger onto E. So you might want to write down the numbers on the recording to see where, so you can practice one bit, then go back to the next bit to practice the second half. So it starts with your 3rd finger on E, then it goes down to C with your thumb and runs up the notes with your quavers. Then you stretch down to G, which is a big stretch for a lot of you. So if I put my fingers back over notes when I'm there, my 4th finger is now on C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. So that will probably take some practice. Your left hand has just finished down here. You come back up to middle C, and it's nice and straightforward with the left hand. Middle C, then B, then A, then G. So together, it's together at the beginning of each bar. So together, then together again. So that's a bit of a skill, trying to get that one stretched down there smoothly. And together. And together again. So this is quite nice. The last line, you're right where you need to be. They've got a 2, which is exactly where you are. So you're going to do 2 on A. 2, 2. I wouldn't do the finger number and they've got the thumb under there. I would just do 3, 4, 4, 4, and then I would move. So we want D, which is just there, 3rd finger on it, and you do 3, 4, 5, skip down, 3, 2, 1, 2. I'll just do that again. So 2, 2, 3, C, 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 and then move. The left hand is very similar to what you've done before. So you've just finished here. So you're just where you need to be. Instead of doing EC first, the stretchy one, it's the other way around. We do FC, which is just where my little finger is. Then the stretchy one. Then F, which is where my 4th finger is. G, and then as you've done before, C, G, C. So together we have so we've got one note with this hand, two notes with that hand because they're quavers. I'll just do that again. And change. And move. So together and together. And both C's together. And this one holds on. Oh, C. Okay. So you probably need to practice that in sections, and I think you'll find the difficult thing is the moving. So you need to practice the moving. So even if you don't play it, every time you move, practice going from there to there, there to there, and look where you're going to go first. So the dynamics, it starts with piano. Then it gradually gets louder. Not too loud though, only to mezzo forte. Now we're still mezzo forte, so I'm moving again now. Stretch. And it drops back down to piano. It gets gradually louder. But once again, only to mezzo forte. So it says allegretto at the beginning, which is fairly fast and lively, but always practice it slowly. It's better to practice it slowly and have no gaps than to practice it fast and then have a big gap. And a minuet is a dance with 3 beats in a bar. And that's it.